Good morning, Thomas Talley here from MarineMax at Palm Beach. I'd like to take the moment here to welcome you to our brand new 2019 Scout 235 XSF, a boat that combines both family cruising and fishing all in one. We're going to do a quick walkthrough for you so you can see all the features of the new boat, and please come on down and take a look at it here at PGA Marina. We're going to start in the back. The boat is equipped with a Yamaha 300 4-stroke. Okay. In the back transom we have a built-in live well and or recirculation well. We come around to the inside of the boat and we have built-in transom seating. So when you're fishing, we can have it closed up, or if you're out for a nice cruise with the family, we can open it up, we have a rear seat. Okay, we move up to our console, which is a much bigger console. You have a built-in cooler in the bottom with rod holders across the back of the seat. Okay, the seats are two-way. You can use them as a leaning post, or you can have a fold-down seat. Okay. Also comes with a footrest for comfortable. Now this boat that we have here is equipped with Garmin electronics and a Fusion stereo with JL speakers. Okay, a nice hard top over top with hard windshields to keep you out of the rain, because we all know we get that down here. Inside the console we have a very large head that is easy to access and easy to use. Okay, with a built-in vacuum flush toilet. We work our way up to the front. The boat is equipped with full wraparound forward seating, which is a great addition for any family out there. Also has built-in chargers behind the seats and cup holders. Again, you can see the JL speakers in the front. Okay, and then we also on this boat is equipped with a coffin box. Now the coffin box can work as a couple different ways. It can be used as storage, it can be used as a fish box, or it can be used just for all of your water toys for a great day out on the water. Okay, both of the front seats are removable. So if you did want to fish and you didn't want them in your way, they can be easily removed. Okay, we have storage underneath both seats on both sides of the boat. Okay, for any of your towels, chairs, or anything like that. This boat has a wonderful access locker for your anchor. So instead of having it flopping around, there's an actual built-in anchor locker inside the boat. Again, this is a new boat from Scout for 2019, so please come on down to MarineMax at PGA and say hi, and let us show you around the boat.